hello, I'm Atina Pandit here. In this video is just like an invitation video that I am inviting for our enterprises function. Yes, on behalf of our enterprises, we are successfully conducted 2 workshops for the biomedical engineering students. We are planned to conduct a 3rd workshops on 3D printing. Workshops on 3D printing on March 14, 2020. So I am inviting you all the biomedical engineers to participate and learn something about the 3D printing. What has happened in that particular workshop is entirely different from other workshops. Ready to give everything to the students because our tagline is sharing knowledge everywhere. Some of the students feel very difficult to learn the practical experience. For here we are giving a chance to give participants, they are ready to make their own prosthetic model for using the 3D printing. So this is a great opportunity for them. So all the participants, I welcome you all for this. The registration procedure and what are all the things required to come into the workshops, and everything will be displayed in the descriptions of this particular video. So use that properly. Use this 3D printing workshop proper way, and in the future it may help you for developing your projects and everything. So that's all about this particular video. This is actually an invitation video, and let we see in some other video with some new information. Thank you.